If you want to enlarge your image in Photopea, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase the size of your entire project canvas by resampling so you can make your image bigger for printing, sharing, or higher resolution export without guessing your way through the menus. This is a super useful skill if you already finished your design and realize you need it larger, or if you want to scale up an image while keeping the proportions intact. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Photopea tips and editing guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea. Make sure the image you want to enlarge is already loaded into the editor. Once you're looking at your design, go to the top menu bar and click Image. Then choose Image Size. This is the main menu option you'll use whenever you want to resize the entire image or project canvas. A small window will appear, and this is where the resizing happens. At the top of the window, you'll see the current dimensions of your image. Before changing anything, look for the chainlink icon between width and height. Make sure it is linked. This is very important because it locks the aspect ratio, which means your image keeps its original proportions and doesn't get stretched or squashed. Now you have two ways to scale the image. If you want to enlarge it by a percentage, use the drop-down menu and change the measurement from pixels to percent. This is really handy if you want to double the size, triple it, or scale it by another factor. For example, typing 200% will make the image twice as large. If you already know the exact output size you want, you can leave it on pixels and type a new value into either the width or height box. Because the chain link is on, Photopea will automatically update the other dimension for you. Next, look at the Interpolation drop-down menu near the bottom of the window. This setting controls how Photopea smooths the image when it scales it up. For enlarging, choose Bilinear or Bicubic. These options help reduce harsh pixelation and make the enlarged image look smoother and cleaner. If you skip this step, the result can look more blocky or jagged than you want. Once your size and interpolation settings are ready, click the blue OK button to apply the changes. Photopea will resize the entire project based on the settings you chose. Depending on how much you're enlarging the image, it may take a second to process, but once it's done, your canvas will be updated to the new dimensions. And that's it. You've successfully enlarged your Photopea project. This method is perfect when you need a larger version of your image while keeping the layout consistent. Just remember, enlarging an image can improve usability for certain projects, but it won't magically create new detail that wasn't already there. So it's always best to start with the highest quality file possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.